Stop accepting the circumstances in your 3D reality as final if it is not what you desire to experience. Many people feel as though that the undesirable circumstances that they're experiencing in their 3D right now are final, and you make them seem final because you continue to react to them, you continue to talk about them. You need to make a decision, a choice right now that you are not going to let these 3D circumstances dictate the end-all be-all for you. You have the choice right now to say, you know what, no, this is not what I desire. I am going to go within my mind and I'm going to live from the end as this version of me experiencing what I want right now. There is no one and nothing to change but self. You need to realize that the only true reality that exists is the reality that you are living in your mind. And if you continue to persist by living from the end as this version of you experiencing what you want right now, then those 3D circumstances will change. So do not react to them. Don't forget that you are the operant power of your reality, and you get to decide what it is that you want to experience in your reality. So keep going and do not give up. Follow me for more tips.